To change notification sounds on iPhone, open Settings, Sounds and Haptics. To change the notification of text tone, select text tone and select any other sound. Similarly, go to New Voicemail, choose any other sound. Go to New Mail, you can select any other sound. Go to Send Mail, select any other sound. Go to Calendar Alerts, select any other sound. Go to Reminder Alerts, select other sound. Go to Default Alerts and then you can select any other sound. If you want to change the notification sound for apps on iPhone, go to Settings again, Notifications, and from here you have to change the notification sound. You can't change the notification sounds for all the application. You can only change for some. For example, WhatsApp. Go to WhatsApp notification settings, sounds, and then you can select the notification sound.